Hello everyone and welcome to Star Entertainment and Technology. Today I'm going to show you Remix. I think it's Remix Mini and the world's first true Android PC. Yes, this is the box. Remix Mini work all over the box on the corner, and then this one is at the bottom. Okay, this one is the Remix Mini 16GB. This one is specs. It says it supports OpenGL ES 2.0, something like that. Okay, let's open this box. When open the box, oh come on. Okay, never mind. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay, this one is the box, the Remix Mini 16GB. Yes, the Mini Remix 16GB. This one is Metro certificate, and this one is quick start guide. It says it can do like a PC thing. Okay, warranty right here. See, this one is the instruction thing. Okay, and they includes the power adapter right here. Oh my god, they give me some US type, but never mind. But they have this one, the adapter, and they include the HDMI cable. Okay, let's do the setup. I select English. This is okay, good. Okay, I'm going to. Okay, I have keyboards. Okay. This is the keyboard and the mouse, and that's the Android box. Okay, setup is complete. Let's start the Remix OS. Oh, done. It's just like, okay, this one's home button, and let's go to, I think this one is what store. I like the Google Play Store. Oh damn it, I need to setting it up for a while. TV mode, home. These are the apps they have. Settings. Okay. Okay, let's see, update. About. Okay, display. I want to up the resolution to 50 Hz. Confirm restart. Okay. Luckily, they have Play Stores. Oh good, they have Facebook. but this one is Google Chrome. I want to stack with another app. Okay, I'm going to stack with the file manager. Let's see if we can handle it. Okay, not bad. Okay, good job. Thank you for watching and peace out.